Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain to you how you can fix your Fanduel account being suspended. So basically guys, if you want to fix a suspended Fanduel account, you can contact, Fanduel's customer support team, and Fanduel support customer support team is actually available to help with closed accounts, self-exclusion, or if you believe that your account is suspended. So, FanDuel may basically suspend bets if there is an uncertainty about a result or potential result, and FanDuel may suspend settlement of a market until the uncertainty is actually resolved. So, if you're having issues with the FanDuel site or app, you can try these troubleshooting steps, okay? You can check your Wi-Fi connection, okay? Make sure you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. You can switch from mobile data to Wi-Fi or vice versa. Make sure you have a strong connection. If you're using the device or app, what you can do is go ahead and clear the cache and cookies. And of course, you can try to log out and log back in. That should fix the problem. Or you can restart your device. And if that doesn't work, guys, just uninstall and reinstall the app. Some of these may actually help solve the issue. And if you're still having issues, guys, of course, the last resort would be to reach out to their customer support team. So I hope this video helps you out, guys. And if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button, guys, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you in the next one.